everyone. Welcome back to the Math Nerd, your favorite channel, I think. So, today we are diving into an integration problem. As you see already, there is a question here. So, one of the most essential topic in calculus, we will solve the question. It's a definite integral, so we'll solve it step by step and find a particular solution for using integral conditions. So let's get started. So first of all, we have a equation I equal to integration of 3x squared minus 4x plus 5 with respect of x, definitely. First question, we have to find the general solution of the integral. And the second question is determine the particular solution. Which particular solution the solution will get from question A. We have to pass a point through that curve, okay? So first thing first, we have to solve our question A. Let's write the question again. 3x squared minus 4x plus 5 with respect of x. So our given integral actually, we have to solve it. We are going to use power rule. I think you guys already know which is power rule for integration, though I'm writing again using power rule. The power rule is x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 with respect of n plus 1, I mean division of x n plus 1, and definitely plus c for definite integration, right? For definite integral, we must have to write plus c, right? I think, or I wish you already know this. So uh, we are going to, I'm going to um integrate each part separately. So I is equal to integration of 3x squared dx. When we are going to integrate each part in integration, we must have to write dx for every part, right? So here it is. If I so 3 is the coefficient, so we will keep it as it is. So x squared, the power is 2, so the power rule is x to the power n plus 1. So the power is 2, so it will be n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, division of 3, right? Minus, and as we are going to integrate separately, but we don't have to put plus c for every part. We can put plus c for once. So here in the next part, we have coefficient of 4. We keep it as it is. And x means the power is 1. So it will be x squared by 2. I mean, division of 2 plus 5 is the coefficient. And there is no variable. We know for integration, if there is no variable, you have to put a variable because what it is there is 1. So as I as I put 5 as coefficient, so there is 1. 1 means what in for there is x to the power 0, right? So x to the 0 means 1. So we can keep it here. We can like write x to the power 0. X to the 0 means what? X to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1, which is x. So here is x. And finally, we are going to plus c, right? So x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus c, which is our general equation. We are done with our question A. Now we are going to solve our question number B, which is determine the particular solution. Particular solution is we already get it from A, which is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus c. And the solution, uh, and it is passes through the curve point at 2 and 7. Now, let's find the particular solution given that the curve passes through 2 and 7. That means when x equal to 2 and y equal to 7. So it's very simple. So we have to put x equal to 2 for x and y equal to 7 to the questions, right? So if we say, write it fast, say y equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus c. I'm writing it, okay? So substituting the into the equation, we can write 7. Let's write substituting y equal to 7 is equal to in the uh, 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus 5 times 2 plus c. So 7, 8, 8, 10 plus c. So c is equal to minus 3. And we can write our final equation, whatever it is eqn. Y is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus c. And this is the equation. We already get it. Our question was determine the particular solution if the curve passes through the point 2 and 7. The particular solution is c equal to minus 3, and we can write our final equation by substituting the value of c. Here it is, and we already done. We found the general integral as was x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus c for the question A. And for the question B, we use the point 2, 7, 2 and 7 for the equation, and we find c equal to minus 3, and we put it on the equation. So our final equation is this. So if you found this helpful, you don't have to subscribe. Please like it and share it with your friends. And definitely, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. See you again in the next video.